Hello, hello. I work in the last 11 years in a big tech company that does a lot of artificial intelligence. Also, in the past, I did some research in machine learning, and I have even reviewed some applications that to check that these comply with artificial intelligence ethical principles. So I think that I have a good idea on how the tool for generative AI work. So when I wanted to change the color of my shoes from this boring white to an exciting orange, I thought that it was to be an easy prompt, but I was very, very mistaken. People that know me in person know that I like to wear bright orange shoes. I found them very practical when traveling to conferences because I can just tell people don't know me in person. Just look for the guy with orange shoes. Also, in case that something happened to me, they can identify me. So when I posted this photo a few days ago on Instagram, yeah, I looked so boring. And I thought, well, let's use artificial intelligence to change the color. How difficult could it be? Well, it was much more complicated than I expected. Okay, this is the photo that I want to edit. And it should be very easy just to change this from white to orange, isn't it? Okay, I'm now here with Gemini, and we have like different flash, like it's like a regular one, thinking experimental when you like want to go step by step. This one also uses YouTube, Maps, and Search. It's probably like some apps, maybe, I don't know. Pro experimental. I don't know if I want to go to an experimental one yet. And the 1.5 Pro with deep research. I don't think that we need any of those, I think. So we just go to the Gemini Advanced, and then let's add our image. Our image is there, and change the color of the shoes from white to orange. It should be very straightforward. Okay, they cannot help me with that. Okay, use the image to generate a new image. Sorry for my phrasing. The image has to be very similar. The only change is the color of the shoes from white to orange. Okay, now it's creating an image. So it cannot edit an image, but it can create a new one. Let's see how different it is. Okay, those feet, they look weird. Yeah, those feet, they look very weird. Okay, change the shoes style to be identical to the original picture. Okay, let's see. Because I don't like that kind of shoes. I will never wear those kind of shoes. It is better, but I don't know. That's weird. Don't like it.
Later.
Okay, apparently the type of shoes that I have is Stan Smith shoes. Change the image. Well, kind of. Yeah, probably those shoes, they don't look good in that color. Make the orange brighter and white socks. Okay, it looks a little bit better, but I think that those feet, they look very, very weird. Okay, let's try to reset everything. Create a new image identical to the one provided, but change the color of the shoes to bright orange. The style of the shoes has to be Adidas Stan Smith shoes. Okay, let's see. You have to be very explicit. You have to create an image. Blah, 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 blah. Kind of. I don't like it, but yeah, I'll take it for now. Okay, now I'm with a chatgpt. Upload an image. Okay, the image is there, and let's ask the same. I want them to use the same image and just change the color of the shoes. Okay. Please modify image where the white shoes have been changed to orange. Some surrounding areas also got affected, but the main focus remained on the shoes. Yes, I want to do the refinement. Okay, change it so only the shoes are orange. All the rest of the image has to be unmodified. This part, okay, they were okay. At least it's realizing that it's screwing up. And finally, it gave up. You've reached your data analysis limit. Okay, so I have to pay. Pretty much useless if you don't pay. Okay, I tried AI Studio also from Google, but that basically has a Gemini in the back with some other stuff there. And it can't. It says that it's only enabled for early tester, which I am not an early tester, but very politely, they offer me to provide a description of the image. And the image shows a pair of white shoes resting on a white radiator. The shoes are worn with gray and black patterned socks and blue jeans. In the background, there is a light green wall, dark brown planter, and a yellow Android figurine. Okay, my next try is with a Leonardo AI. I guess it should be able to do it, right? Okay, I just want to do a prompt. Can I just do that? Like, hey, just change the color of shoes. It looks like it's very powerful, but I just want a very simple thing. Okay, I want the, oh, but apparently I have to pay for this one. That's probably what I want. Upload that image. This is my image. Okay, confirm. Change the color of the shoe, choose from white to orange. Nope. Creativity strain. I don't want creativity. Okay. Yes. Zero creativity. I'm stupid or probably I'm stupid. Oh yeah. Photographer. F. None. Oh my god. Don't do any creativity. Yeah. You just, I don't ask anything and it just screw up the image. Okay, we are back in Google AI Studio. So they have a feature that is called Stream Real Time that you can share your screen. So basically what I'm going to do is to share.
Okay, it sounds like you're planning to make a change. What kind of change are you thinking about making?
I'm going to share my a tab.
Okay, so you're going to share a tab. Can you tell me more about what this tab is and why you're going to be sharing it?
Yes, it's an application that is like a Photoshop. So I want to modify an image.
Okay, so the tab you're sharing is for Photopea, which is an application similar to Photoshop, and you want to use it to modify an image. What kind of modification are you planning to make?
I just want to change the color of an object.
Okay, so you want to change the color of an object in an image using Photopea. Okay, so you're going to add an image to Photopea so you can change the color of an object within it. Are you going to be creating a new project or opening an existing project?
It's a new project. You can see the image there is some white shoes in a photograph. I want to change the color of those shoes from white to orange.
Okay, you've added a new project to Photopea with an image of white shoes and you want to change their color to orange. Do you know which tool in Photopea you'll use to change the color?
I have no idea. That's what I am asking.
Okay, it sounds like you're unsure which tool to use in Photopea to change the color of the shoes. Would you like me to help you with that?
Yes.
Okay, to change the color of the shoes, you could use the hue/saturation adjustment tool in Photopea. Would you like me to explain how to find and use this tool?
Yes, please.
Okay, to use the hue/saturation tool, first go to the image menu at the top, then select adjustments, and then choose hue/saturation. Would you like me to continue and tell you about the next steps? Okay, so you've clicked on image, then adjustments. Now you'll want to click on hue/saturation. Once you do, a new window will appear that will allow you to change the color of the shoes. Do you see the hue/saturation option in the menu?
Yes, now I have a window that says hue saturation.
Great, now that you have the hue/saturation window open, you can adjust the hue slider to change the color of the shoes. If you move the hue slider to the right, you should be able to find a shade of orange that you like. Do you see the shoes changing color as you move the slider?
Yes, but everything else changes. I just want to change the shoes.
Okay, it seems the hue/saturation tool is changing the color of the entire image and not just the shoes. To target only the shoes, you'll need to create a selection around them first. Would you like me to explain how to do that?
Yes, please.
Okay, to create a selection around the shoes, you can use the lasso select tool, which is on the left toolbar. Once selected, you can carefully draw around the shoes. Once you have a selection, you can use the hue/saturation tool again, and the color changes will only apply to the selected area. Does this sound like a good approach?
No, I don't see any lasso.
Ah, my apologies, it seems I made a mistake. The tool you actually want to use for this would be the quick selection tool. It looks like a brush with a dotted circle, and it's the second one on the left toolbar, just below the magic wand. Would you please try to find that tool?
There is the crop tool, but that's the only one. Is any menu where I can find these tools?
Okay, it looks like you've selected the crop tool, which is indeed on the toolbar. The quick selection tool is right above the crop tool, and it looks like a brush with a dotted circle. Is that visible now?
No, it's just the magic wand.
Okay, I see what's happening. It seems the toolbar is scrolled so that the quick selection tool is not visible. If you scroll up in the toolbar, the quick selection tool should be just above the magic wand tool, with an icon that looks like a brush with a dotted circle. Do you see it now?
I cannot scroll anything.
Okay, it seems like the toolbar is not scrollable in your view. It may be a layout issue in your current window. Since you can see the magic wand tool, you can actually use that tool to select the shoes, although it may not be as precise as the quick selection tool. Would you like to try that?
It select the shoes, but also select the pants and some other stuff.
Okay, it looks like the select subject tool selected the shoes, but also some other parts of the image. You can refine the selection using the quick mask mode to remove the extra parts. Would you like to do that?
Okay, this was taking too much time. So I'm gonna do the old fashioned, and I'm gonna go and watch a YouTube video and how to do this. Okay. This looks like is this or this. So okay, this is 2 minutes. 2 minutes I should be able to figure out how to do this. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna succeed, but I start watching some videos, and in the third one it kind of got it. There is the lasso tool here. You just have to click in some places and then make it appear. So yeah, thanks to the AI Studio, yeah, it's the lasso tool. So basically what I did is then you create your lasso, I don't know, and I create this. It's terrible, but it's getting there. So I'm supposing that I'm gonna change the hue in this area, and let's see. Okay. Sorry, it's like I just started doing this and it went very weird. Okay. It's terrible. So the other side. Okay. Oh my god. I wonder if there is a other way to do this. Maybe green ones instead of orange. So I'm so bad at this. Okay, well, this is the best that I could do with a photo feed. It's terrible. It's not that so horrible. It's obviously like a very amateurish work, but to be honest, it is better this than what I was doing with the artificial intelligence. So, yes, I'm a not software engineer, but I'm a technical engineer. I've been doing a lot of programming. I have done some machine learning, and still I wasn't able to make this happen. Well, is it that I failed big time to create a simple prompt to change the color of my shoes, or is it that artificial intelligence is not yet there as we believe? I will let you decide that, but let me know in the comments what you think. And also, if you enjoyed the video, please consider give us a like, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.